Healthy New Living with an NU. You for you. This is about you. It's not about us. Do you want to be healthier? Do you want to live longer? Do you want to detox your body? Do you want to lose weight? Do you want to sleep better? They have all kinds of natural products with natural ingredients. It's an FDA registered facility. Good manufacturing facility. I'm going to show you my retail sales. My matrix money and my retail sales money, because we get 20% from free members, we get 20% from paid affiliates when they buy product. The products are great. I haven't really led with the product, but if you do, you can make a lot of money in this program just moving product. I have some people on my team, they're like, well, I don't know how to recruit. I don't know how to get a lot of people on my team. And I said to them, but you do flea markets, and you do eBay, and you know a lot of Amish and Mennonite people. They love those natural type products. I know that the person can move a lot of product. They sell a lot of product. If you can sell a lot of product, you can make a lot of money too, just with the 20% commission. So I'm going to show you my matrix money. I'm in my back office for Healthy New Living. I'm going to show you my stats. I'm not going to click on my downline members because I'm not going to reveal their email addresses, but you can see I joined. My renewal date is February 16th, 2022. That means that's 30 days after I joined. I joined January 16th. This new compensation plan is brand new. Hold on, I got a call.